Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of economics, specifically the distinction between macroeconomics and microeconomics. Now, I know these terms might sound a bit intimidating, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what they entail and why they matter. Let's start with the basics. Economics is the study of how societies allocate scarce resources to satisfy unlimited wants and needs. It's all about understanding how individuals, businesses, and governments make decisions about what to produce, how to produce it, and for whom. Now, within the field of economics, we have two main branches, microeconomics and macroeconomics. Think of them as two sides of the same coin, each focusing on different aspects of the economy. Microeconomics zooms in on the behavior of individual agents within the economy. It's like looking at the trees in a forest. Microeconomics examines how individuals and firms make decisions regarding the allocation of resources and how these decisions impact prices, quantities, and markets. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine a family trying to decide how to allocate their monthly income. They need to decide how much to spend on groceries, rent, utilities, entertainment, and savings. Microeconomics would analyze how this family makes decisions based on their preferences, income, and the prices of goods and services. On the other hand, macroeconomics takes a broader view of the economy as a whole. It's like stepping back to see the entire forest rather than focusing on individual trees. Macroeconomics examines the economy-wide phenomena such as inflation, unemployment, economic growth, and the overall performance of the economy. Let's illustrate with another example. Suppose we're looking at the national unemployment rate. Macroeconomics would analyze factors such as government policies, aggregate demand, and business cycles to understand why unemployment is rising or falling and its implications for the economy as a whole. So, to sum it up, microeconomics deals with individual economic units, like households and firms, while macroeconomics focuses on the economy as a whole, looking at aggregate measures and trends. Now, you might be wondering, why does this distinction matter? Well, understanding both microeconomics and macroeconomics is crucial for policymakers, businesses, and individuals alike. Microeconomics helps us understand how individual decisions shape markets and prices, which is vital for businesses to make strategic decisions and for consumers to make informed choices. Meanwhile, macroeconomics provides insights into the overall health of the economy and helps policymakers formulate effective fiscal and monetary policies to address issues like inflation, unemployment, and economic growth. So, whether you're managing your personal finances, running a business, or analyzing national economic trends, a solid understanding of both microeconomics and macroeconomics will serve you well. And there you have it, folks. I hope this video has shed some light on the differences between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Remember, economics is all around us, shaping the decisions we make every day. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.